Hello, artists. Today, we're going to tackle down the majestic beauty of horse. This step-by-step guide will help you master the fundamental elements of capturing the grace and beauty of these magnificent creatures. Grab your sketch pad, and let's dive in. Sketching the head. Begin by sketching the head of the horse. Pay attention to proportions, defining the eyes, ears, and mane. Add details to the head by drawing expressive eyes, ears, and the flow of the mane. Consider the direction of the wind or movement to give life to the mane. This step sets the tone for your horse's personality. Outlining the neck. Extend from the head to create the neck. Horses often have graceful, arched necks. Use gentle curves and lines to capture the elegance of this part of the anatomy. Ensure it connects smoothly to the head. Sketching the body. Now, let's move down to the body. Begin by drawing a large oval or slightly tapered shape to represent the torso. Connect the neck seamlessly to the body, maintaining a natural and fluid transition. Outlining the legs. Sketch the legs, ensuring they are proportionate to the body. Pay attention to the joints and angles. Horses' legs are powerful and slender, so capture the strength and grace in your lines. Add any final touches and details to enhance your drawing. Choose your color palette. Before diving in, decide on a color palette that suits your vision for the horse. Pay attention to areas where shadows naturally fall, such as under the neck and around the legs. Blend the colors smoothly for a seamless transition between light and shadow. Congratulations on completing the coloring phase of your horse drawing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more artistic adventures. Until next time.